Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create backup and restore jobs for Huawei ECS instance in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. To back up Huawei ECS instance agentlessly, you need to add the host first. Just click Resources, Virtual Infrastructure, Cloud Platform. Click Add. Enter the credentials of the host. Click OK. Click License to finish configuration. Go to Cloud Backup. Click Backup. Select Huawei ECS. Select the backup destination for it. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like throttling policy, data storage policy, retention policy. Choose the transmission strategy. And advanced strategy. Click Next. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. The backup job has now been completed. When we need to restore the Huawei ECS instance, go to Restore. Just select the recovery point. Specify your restore destination. You can choose the cloud platform and recovery type. Click Next. Select the restore strategies. You can specify your throttling policy. In Schedule, you can choose Restore as scheduled or Once Off Restore. Choose the transmission strategy. And Advanced strategy. Click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now the restore job is complete. You can check it in Huawei Cloud. it has been restored successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.